Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll be showing you the Mi True Wireless Earbuds which I have imported from China using the Banggood website. So I'll be providing the download and that is the purchase link in the video description, so you can click and purchase this product. And this product I have purchased from Banggood for rupees 1500 during the China New Year's festival season. So I got a good discount, so I purchased it and finally it reached my home just today. So I'll be giving you what you will find and what's special about this Mi True Wireless earbuds, and do Xiaomi India should release this. I will discuss too in this video description. So let me show you what you will get inside the box. Is that you get true wireless earbuds. So you can see when you open the case, so you can see the red light blinking on this earbuds. It's really a tiny one and it really fits very good inside your ear, and once you pick up it gets turned on. As you see, the white color is blinking, that is the Bluetooth is turned on. So when you put it back, you can see a red color just lights up, so it means that it is turned off. And when you close, you can see its sound. It's really fantastic. And you can see behind there is a micro USB cable to charge your phone. You can use a directly USB charger too, or you can charge it using the power banks too. So that's all about the Mi earbuds case. And what you get more is inside the box is the leaflets, that is the menu books, so you can read here. The Mi earbuds which I have ordered is a global version, so if you purchase a Chinese version one, you will get a different name written like Redmi AirDots. So the device is almost same, just the difference I will show you is written as Mi True Wireless Earbuds, but don't get confused, it is almost the same as the Redmi earbuds that you can find in various websites. So yes, you can see here a logo written Mi. So don't worry, still it's the same Redmi AirDots, but for global users they have just changed the name as Mi True Wireless Earbuds. And what you got, the last thing is inside the box is the ear tips, that is the extra ear tips to fit your different ear size, that is the large, small or medium. So that's all you get inside the box and nothing much more. So is this a odd buy under the rupees 2000 price segment? So in my opinion, yes, definitely. From my own experience, I have tested in the sound quality is really very loud and clear, and even the very crisp, and even the bass is really very good. I'll not say it's the best bass output producing wireless true earbuds, but for the price segment it's really doing a great job. So in my opinion, if you're searching a true wireless earbuds, then definitely you can go for it, and I will highly recommend you to purchase this Mi True Wireless Earbuds if you are global users. But if you still want the Chinese version, which is written as the Redmi AirDots, then you can purchase that too. So nothing different, just the brand logo. Just in the Chinese version they will be mentioned as Redmi, and in the global version they will be naming it as Mi, but the product is almost same, nothing different on that products, just the name is different, that's all only. So in my opinion, should you purchase it? Yes, go for it, you won't regret it. And trust me, right now I can't show you the sound quality of this Mi earbuds, so you try it out yourself. And like other YouTubers, I'm not giving you a fake suggestions without any testing or something like that, but on my opinion, I will definitely say it produces a great sound. If you purchase and try it yourself, you won't regret spending that much of money on it. So Before concluding, I would like to show you how you can connect using your mobile phone. So here I am having a Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let me show you how you can connect using the Bluetooth connections. So what you need to do is you need to turn on the Bluetooth first on your mobile phones. So after that, after turning on the Bluetooth on your mobile phones, what you need to do is you need to open this case and you need to pick it up. And if you're connecting it for the first time, you need to press this button for sometimes, but as I've already connected, so I will show you. Since you can see here, it's already connected. So you can connect only a single pair, then both the pairs will be active in the same time. So don't worry, you don't need to connect left or right all the times, but once you get connected or set up the connections for the first time, then second time you don't need to connect. Just pick it up from your earbuds case and there it's ready, already connected. So it's very easy to connect. So it is a 6 to 7 meters distance which it will stay connected, but in the open areas it may be connected more distance, since I have tested in my closed rooms and I have went like 5 to 6 meters far away from my mobile, but still it gets connected. So in the distance point of view too, it's really doing a great job. So in my opinion, I think you should definitely buy it if you're having a tight budget of rupees 2000 for spending in just me through wireless earbuds. And before concluding, I would like to say that to the Xiaomi India that please bring this product to Indian customers, because I have seen lots of Indian users are really demanding such kind of true wireless earbuds from the Xiaomi India itself. So even I don't know whether the global versions are also released throughout the different countries, such earbuds or not, but right now it's only available to be purchased from the Chinese websites right now. So it's not possible for every local customers who are living outside of India to order or purchase from the Chinese country. So in my opinion, Xiaomi India, if you're listening to this video, please bring this product to India, because the Indian customers are too in a great demand for this product. So I hope every customers who are willing to purchase can purchase from the purchase link that I will be leaving from the video descriptions. So you go and purchase from there, and even you can use your debit cards or RuPay cards, even you can use the UPI payments, even you can use the net banking payments on those websites which I'll be providing you in the video descriptions. So click on those purchase links and check it out by yourself, and if you're willing to purchase, then purchase it. And trust me, the sound quality and the best quality are really good. I'll not say the best, but as compared to the price are really good, and you won't regret after spending that much of money. So this is all about what I meant to say about this product. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.